Hello everyone. Let's dive into the PWAY 4K HDMI KVM USB extender. This device promises to transmit stunning 4K video at 60 Hz over standard Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cables, reaching distances up to 60 meters with zero perceived latency. In essence, this extender allows you to separate your computer from your display and peripherals, which can be incredibly useful in various scenarios. Think of having your noisy PC tucked away in a server room while you work in a quiet office, or controlling a distant media server from your living room. The key selling point here is the 4K at 60 Hz capability. It delivers a visually rich experience with lifelike colors, sharp details, and smooth motion. This makes it suitable for tasks that demand high visual fidelity, such as video editing, graphic design, or even just enjoying 4K movies and games. The extender utilizes standard Cat5e or Cat6 network cables, which are readily available and relatively inexpensive. This makes the setup process straightforward, as most homes and offices are already wired with Ethernet. The 60-meter extension distance is also quite generous, providing ample flexibility in terms of device placement. The unit features HDMI connectors for both the transmitter and receiver units, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. The use of copper as the contact material suggests a focus on reliable signal transfer and durability. It is designed for panel mounting, which allows for a clean and organized installation. The PWAY extender employs Ethernet as its connectivity protocol, leveraging the existing network infrastructure for signal transmission. The touch control method adds a modern touch, allowing for easy switching or configuration. Overall, the PWAY 4K HDMI KVM USB extender appears to be a well-featured solution for extending HDMI signals over long distances. Its support for 4K at 60 Hz, use of Cat5e6 cables, and zero latency performance make it a compelling option for those seeking to separate their computer from their display without sacrificing visual quality or responsiveness.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.